Sexual and Reproductive Health Awareness Day is held annually on February 12th. This day is an opportunity to raise awareness about sexual and reproductive health issues and to educate to reduce the spread of sexually transmitted infections. Sexually transmitted infections continue to be one of the major public health concerns. Health awareness events create publicity of health issues and aims to improve the condition and help save lives. Sometimes these events encourage preventive action against conditions becoming more serious. Sexual and reproductive health. Sexual and reproductive health is an essential component of the universal right to the highest attainable standard of physical and mental health, enshrined in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and in other international human rights conventions, declarations, and consensus agreements. Sexual and reproductive health needs must be met for both men and women. Human rights standards require states to respect, protect, and fulfill the right to sexual and reproductive health, and states must also ensure the individuals have the opportunity to actively participate in the development of healthcare policy and in individual care decisions. Sexual health. The World Health Organization defines sexual health as a state of physical, emotional, mental, and social well-being related to sexuality, not merely the absence of disease, dysfunction, or infirmity. Sexual health requires a positive and respectful approach to sexuality and sexual relationship, as well as the possibility of having pleasurable and safe sexual experiences. For sexual health to be attained and maintained, the sexual rights of all persons must be respected, protected, and fulfilled. Reproductive health. Reproductive health is complementary to sexual health, a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. In all matters relating to reproductive system and to its functions and processes, according to the United Nations. In order to make these decisions freely and responsibly, it is necessary that people receive accurate information about their reproductive system. The reproductive system not only includes managing fertility with access to safe, effective, affordable, and acceptable contraceptive methods. It also includes preventing and managing sexually transmitted diseases including HIV or AIDS, and to manage menstruation in a hygienic way, in privacy and with dignity. Sexual and reproductive health is an issue that concerns everyone. The time when these issues start to affect young lives is at adolescence, when young people are beginning to learn about their own sexuality and are having to make decisions about their sexual behavior, which may have lifelong implications. Effective support and intervention before and during this period of their lives can have important and long-lasting benefits. Due to unstable nature of their situation, refugees and displaced young people are more at risk of sexual and reproductive ill health than settled young people. Programs to address their needs should be a priority. Sexual health problems for young people arise when they do not have a control over their own sexual lives, when they are either ill-informed or ill-equipped to deal with the consequences of their sexual activities. Working effectively with sexual and reproductive health issues involves working with young people and their communities to develop programs which are culturally appropriate and address relevant gender issues and truly speak to their local communities.